You want to start content creation, but you don't know how to start. Worry no more. I am here to help. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exact step by step on how you can start creating content from the scratch. Yes, even if you don't know what you want to post, I am going to show you how you can start your content journey from the scratch. But you have to do me one favor. I need you to hit this follow button, like, comment, and share this video. Share this video with your friends because a lot of people are also looking for this information. So if you can share this video, it will help them to get this information. How to start content creation. Number one, identify your niche. Now, talking about niche is something that you are passionate about. All right, so you want to go into something that you don't have issues doing, something that you can do even without getting paid for it. The truth is, your audience will connect to your content better if you are passionate about it. Number two, set clear goals. As this might sound, you have to set a clear goal. What are your goals? You have to define why you want to start content. Do you want to build a brand, or you want to educate others just like what I'm doing, or you want to make money, of which that is the end product of every content creator. Whatever your goal is, make it specific, clear, and bold. For example, I want to grow my audience to 5,000 followers in 1 month. That is a clear goal. These goals will help you stay focused and track your progress as you go. Number three, choose your desired platform. Different platform works for different kinds of content. For instance, if you want to post a short videos, you can consider going for TikTok and Instagram Reels. All right, so but if you want to post a long form videos like tutorials, you should consider YouTube. All right, but if you want to connect with your audience through a community based platform, Facebook is the best for you. Number four, plan your content. Now, you don't just want to wake up and start posting. You need to create content calendar. Now, this will help you jot down every ideas you have. Maybe you might be walking around, or you might be walking along the road and you have content idea. It's for you to jot it down. All right, so when you come back to the house, you decide to create a video on them. Planning your content can also help you stay consistent, because by so doing, you will have content ahead. So whenever it's time to post, you don't lack any content to post, because social media rewards consistency. Consistency is the key. So you have to post regularly. Number five, equipment and setup. This is where a lot of people feel discouraged. Yes, they just feel, oh, I don't have the equipment, I don't have what it takes, I don't have any equipment to start. See, the truth is, start with what you have. In fact, your smartphone, you are using your smartphone to watch this video right now. Start with that smartphone. That is all you need. So as time goes by, as you keep growing, you keep investing on other equipment. All right, now we have thousands of free tools out there, like editing tools like CapCut, InShot. They are all for free. You can also use Canva for your graphics, maybe like for your thumbnail design and your cover page design. All right, so these tools are all free. So start with what you have. Don't wait for sophisticated equipment. It might never come handy at the moment. Just start. Number six, and the final tip, engage with your audience. I see a lot of content creators ignoring their followers. They ignore their comment. They even go as far as ignoring their DMs. Man, this is why it's called social media. Social media is all about being social. So you have to connect with your followers, connect with your fans, connect with your audience, because this is what social media is rewarding you for. They want you to create a connection with your audience so that you keep them on the platform. All right, so by so doing, you get rewarded by these platforms. I know you got value from this video. Please, if you do, don't forget to follow this page, like, share and comment. Share it with your friends, because a lot of people are also interested in getting the same information. All right, so let's be our brother's keeper. Share the video to as many people as possible so that they can also benefit from this information. Remember, social media is more than a platform. It is an opportunity, so you have to make sure you use it to your advantage. Till I come your way next time, peace and love.